Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Zoxis. So this is the very first video in our Kotlin for Android development playlist. If you are an absolute beginner, do not worry. We will go step by step from basics to advanced. In this video, we will cover two important questions. What is Kotlin and why Kotlin for Android development? So let's get started. So the question is, what is Kotlin? Kotlin is a modern, concise, and powerful programming language developed by JetBrains, the same company that created IntelliJ IDEA, the base for Android Studio. It runs on the Java Virtual Machine, which means it can work with all existing Java code. Kotlin was officially announced as a first-class programming language for Android development by Google in 2017, and it is now the preferred language for Android apps. Now, the second part is the Kotlin same as Java? Not exactly. Kotlin and Java both run on the JVM and they're interoperable, which means you can use Java and Kotlin both together in the same Android project. But Kotlin is much more concise and expressive than Java. For example, in Java, you'll write 10 lines of code. In Kotlin, maybe just 3 or 4 lines of the same thing. Now, the next question is why Kotlin for Android development? Now, let us talk about why Kotlin is great choice for Android development. Firstly, it's concise, less code, fewer bugs. Secondly, safe, built-in features to avoid common errors like null pointer exceptions. Thirdly, modern. It supports functional programming and coroutines and much more. Number 4, fully supported by Google. New Android APIs are Kotlin first. Number 5, growing community. Tons of resources, libraries, and tutorials are available. And the best part is, it's easy to learn, especially if you are new or coming from a Java background. Now, popular companies using Kotlin. Many big companies use Kotlin for their apps like Google, Netflix, Pinterest, Uber, Twitter, etc. So, learning Kotlin isn't just fun, it's also practical and career boosting. And that is it for this introduction. In the next video, we will set up our Android development environment and write our first Kotlin program. So do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you do not miss any video in this Kotlin journey. Drop your questions or thoughts in the comments. I'll be reading them all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay curious.